Today on Tech Talk, one oil additive, one job, and why your engine cares. Let's start with detergents. Inside an engine, heat, combustion byproducts, and oxidation can create deposits and acids. If those deposits stick to the hot metal, they can turn into varnish, sludge, and dirty surfaces. Detergents work like a microscopic cleanup crew. They help keep hot parts like pistons and ring glands cleaner by reacting with the deposit-forming material to help neutralize acids before the acids attack the metal. Here's the key. Detergents do not make dirty oil magically new again. They buy time by controlling contamination and protecting surfaces while the oil is in service. So when you hear detergent additive, think clean metal surfaces, acid control, and deposit prevention. Oil is not just oil, it's a chemistry package working under pressure.